Hi friends, this video tutorial explains you how to make estimate bills in Retail Daddy. Estimate bill means it is not reflected on the inventory. In Retail Daddy software, whenever you are making a sale bill, automatically the stock will be detected. But when you are creating an estimate bill, the stock is not affected. It's not affected on stock remains the same. Okay, so here we can check how to make estimate bills. Click on the sale panel. Just open the sale panel. Add a customer name and products. Okay, then click on the estimate option here. Then you can convert this sale bill into estimate. This is the estimate option. The bottom. Estimate. Yes. This is the estimate format. After adding the estimate, you want to create the estimate into bill. Then click on the old estimate and select. And after that, you want to add any other items, you can add. Then click on the payment option. It convert into bill. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.